Welcome to Reliable Nissan's video showcase with Scott Musser. Right now we are viewing the 2017 Nissan Titan SV 4x4. Beautiful vehicle. A lot of chrome accenting all the way around. Nice size rims. Very well designed. You got your V8 Endurance badge. Very beautiful blue color. I'm pretty sure the video doesn't do it justice. It's very, very beautiful paint. You have automatic driver and front passenger windows with powered back windows. You have your powered exterior mirror, window lock, your door locks, cargo lamp. You have your Bluetooth connectability, your hands-free calling, as well as your trip computer, AM, FM CD player, as well as XM Sirius radio, two 12 volts, as well as an auxiliary plug-in and a USB plug-in. Little thing right here, you put your phone or what have you, your cup holder, and then it's push start. Very, very beautiful vehicle. A little storage underneath the middle seat. It folds down, and you have a great big center armrest. It's large enough for a laptop. Deep well. A few different little wells in there. Of course, you could take them out, adjust it the way you'd like it. Very, very great truck. Unlock the back for you. Upgraded fabric seating. Very beautiful. You have your latch system. All the seats will go up, give you enough room if you want to stick anything in the back that you don't want in the truck bed. Very nice to have these little hooks. You have a bag, you can hook it up right there. And come on down to Reliable Nissan. We're reliable.